Are you thinking about buying a house at auction? Auction properties can be excellent investment opportunities, but they can also become very expensive mistakes if you don't do your homework first. Here are the most important things you should know before placing a bid. First, research the property. Find out the market value, neighborhood, recent comparable sales, zoning, and whether the property has any code violations. Second, estimate the repair costs. A house may look like a bargain, but hidden problems such as foundation issues, roof damage, plumbing, or electrical repairs can quickly increase your expenses. Third, check for liens and unpaid taxes. Some auction properties may have outstanding financial obligations or legal issues. Always perform a title search whenever possible. Fourth, know whether the property is occupied. If the previous owner or tenants are still living there, you may need to go through the legal eviction process, which takes time and money. Fifth, understand the auction rules. Know the required deposit, payment deadlines, buyer's premium, and closing requirements before auction day. Finally, calculate your total investment. Don't look only at the winning bid. Add renovation costs, attorney fees, permits, taxes, insurance, utilities, and holding costs. Most importantly, decide your maximum bid before the auction starts and don't exceed it, no matter how competitive the bidding becomes. Successful investors don't buy based on emotion. They buy based on research, planning, and discipline. Remember, your profit is made when you buy, not when you sell. I'm Mohammed Azad from Liberty Construction. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more real estate and construction tips.